Yeah. Yeah. JQ. Young Zan. Ready?
I'm busting nuts on the world, nigga, I don't give a fuck. I told my mom's about my dream, she don't give a fuck. I'm finished running this game, weak rappers getting truckin'. When you approach my girl, she tell you we niggas to suck nuts. Jordan gang nigga, got the 7s and 11s. Playoffs hanging up, cool grades look like Kevin. Got my money game right, got the 2s on flights. MJ throwback, in that G-side shake tight. Like my girlfriend pussy, nigga hit it just right. Matter of fact, I overdo it, if you want me to, I bite. In fact, niggas infuriate me, the haters don't face me. And I will never stop until I hear that fat lady. No, never stop grinding, no, never stop flying. And nigga, handle your business, cause your girl keep calling. You pansies try to push me, but I am never falling. And rappers keep begging, but bitch, stop stalling. Get ready for destruction, eat lyrics like a muffin. If you a Christian, don't listen, cause I won't stop cussing. And a nigga ain't playing, got the world in my hands. But see, I'm just a guest, pass that bitch to Young Zan. My money real big, so my pockets are annoying. I am the worker, the beat is unemployment. I stepped on the track, so the beat is on my Jordans. Got a fine yellow bone, just like the show Martin. Nigga who want beef, yeah, we can get it started. 2 missiles hit your car, now you lost where you parked it. My house sitting tall like some Rosemont apartments. Don't do too much driving, cause I know I got warrants. Black mask on, so I know I can get it. Pistol all chrome, ain't no safe killing. I'm the realest in the booth, bitch, your unborn feel me. I'm the hero to the track, so the beat is my villain. I'm the king of the town, erasing pussies from the village. Syrup in my cup, so my drink moving stiffly. Try to take a break, but my cup yelling sip me. Just give me 20 minutes and my drink become history. I like my gold flavor, either grape or mango. New nigga to the town, just call me Rango. This nut on your face, call it Young Zan Mayo. Hard as a rock, so it's like she licking Play-Doh. I only stick with her just because of how her brain go. Try to jack me, you'll be asking where your brain go. Rolling up weed while I'm playing the game Halo. My girl do anything every time a nigga say so. Nigga, stop hating, go and get your cash up. Your money come in checks, my money get bagged up. Every time I do a show, I leave your city bagged up. Them 2 pistols on my side, I make a jack a bag up. Damn, oh shit, I'm starting again. Somebody get my medicine, man, I'm starting to twist. They wanna calm me down, nigga, fuck that shit. They wanna chain me down, bitch, suck my dick. I paste it on her ass when we make that flick, and she liked it from the back, so I called her a bitch. I write about my life, so that's probably why you hate me. Pussy nigga smiling, that's showing me you hate me. Got a lot of assholes jacking me lately, but stop dick riding, nigga, fuck you, pay me. You got a dirty bitch, yeah, your bitch got rabies. You hoes keep calling, but I need a fucking name. Your bitch came to me, cause she say your shit little, so I made your bitch scream, made her scream like a whistle. And my knowledge is the trigger, I don't even need a pistol. And she told me she was coming while she made her shit jiggle.
JQ, Young Zan, 1 up. Yeah, shout out to my nigga Joe Side, C. Harris, my nigga The Truth. Stay cool. Brand. Yeah. Lil Ty, Lil Coda, Young Hyde, Deezy, 2 Vicks. Yeah. CC. This how we do it, bitches.